Oh, ano naman tong bagong upload ni Gina Wenbanyama dito sa Google Worksheet? Ang dami na naman yung print, oh. Imagine, 10 pesos per page na naman. Paano print mo na yung aking homework sa printing service? Hindi pa na, halos 80 pages pinapaprint ng teacher mo. Color key. Mabilis lang naman sila mag-print, ah. Email mo lang din, pipick upin na lang natin mamaya, along the way. Oo, mabilis din mawala ang pera natin, parang finlash sa toilet. Imagine, yan ang pang-lunch mo mamaya.
A few moments later, nabudol si tatay.
Uy, may bagong printer tayo. Ayos. Pwede mang-unli print. Diyos ko yung teacher mo. Imagine mo kung nagpa-print siya ng 900 pages itong first quarter pa lang. Katumbas na isang printer, oh, from HP. Eh di nag-print to own na lang ako. O ano, sino mas wais? Ako o yung teacher mo? Pa, nasaan yung bond papers? Why, yan ka na naman! Thank you pala, Dad, for buying me this all-new na HP Smart Tank 210 na wireless edition. And I guarantee you, sobra ko masusulit to for schooling. Kung gusto nyo ng step-by-step na video on how to set up your new HP na Smart Tank 210 wireless, I'll be making a separate video on this, so abangan ninyo. So subscribe lang kayo sa channel ko para i-notify kayo once na in-upload ko ang full video on how to set up itong printer na ito. In this video, pag-uusapan natin everything that I like, kung bakit ito nga ba ang pinili ni tatay. One very important thing na kailangan nyo malaman is that once matapos nyo i-set up itong printer na ito, you need to print a alignment page para to make sure na maganda ang alignment ng mga piprint mo dito. So, makita mo na it will be printing something like this and ikakalibrate mo lang sa iyong app. Sobrang dali lang, guys. Don't you worry. So guys, ay napapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit okay na okay itong HP printer. So first things is, ang ganda ng kanyang app. Ang kanyang interface is very user-friendly. So makita natin dito, pag once in-install mo siya, okay, it looks something like this. So naka-tile siya. It's very easy to access. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng shortcuts should you like it. So one of the smart function na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is that pwede mo i-email sa sarili mo. Like let's say, meron ka na capture ng mga documents dito on itong smartphone mo. And gusto mo i-print or pwede mo rin i-email sa sarili mo, it's very easy. All you need to do is just simply pindot ka lang ganito, allow camera access, and ganun. So let's say ito, gusto natin i-capture itong document na ito. So, once na kinapture natin, okay, adjust lang natin boundaries. I-auto lang natin para madali lang buhay natin. So, pwede na i-email itong document sa sarili mo. So, it's very easy though. Hindi lang siya pwede pang print. Pwede mo pa i-capture and send pa sa sarili mo for safekeeping. And another feature na gustong-gusto ko sa mga printout ng HP is that smudge-free ang kanyang black ink. Now, there are times na hindi mo maiwasan na mababasa ang iyong mga documents like this. And it sucks, of course. Pinaghirapan mo, nag-print ka. Siguro, maybe you're outside and wala kang printer and na-print mo na to using your HP na printer sa bahay and isa-submit mo na and biglang nabasa. One thing na common sa mga fake na ink is nagsismudge siya. Kakalat yan. So, wala na mababasa ng teacher mo or kung sino ba pagbibigyan mo ng document mo. Ito sa HP T9 natin, ibasaan ka ng document. Eh, makita natin yung mga black dito. Ayan, buong-buo pa. Oh, kahit nabasa siya, tinasikan ko ng tubig, and it's still okay. So, all you need to do is just wait for it to dry up and it will be okay, just like normal. Accident do happen, so buy original HP ink para safe ka. Now, one of the useful function dito na meron sa printer na ito is that pwede ka mag-print ng some printables dito. Like mga worksheet para sa inyong mga anak or some coloring sheet para sa inyong mga kiddies. Para may magawa sila habang busy ka. So, kita natin dito sa app, there's a lot to choose from. You know, trending, may mga pang stress reliever, and there's a lot to choose from. Just scroll on over and yeah, makita mo na lahat ng mga option na meron dito. So, one important function dito sa akin is yung kanyang camera scan. So, pwede ako mag-picture dito. Let's say, gusto ko text extract tong document ko. So, all you need to do is just snap it away. And kita natin, no? I-continue mo lang. So, extract na yung text dito para i-print siya ng maayos on a Word or PDF file na document, which is definitely very useful yan. So guys, kita nyo, pwede nyo na-edit ngayon yung text. Very, very useful na function. Definitely sobrang student-friendly. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan i-type isa-isa itong mga documents ito. All you need to do is snap, konting edit lang, and you're good to go. And hindi rin maiwasan na kailangan mo mag-snap ng some documents sa mga libro. And as a student, you need it to be fast, snappy, just like itong HP na app. All you need to do is hover over dito sa book. I-place mo na maayos. Just like this. Okay? So, capture all four corners. Yan. Kita natin, no? Yan. Snap. So, yan. Nakita nyo na. Para meron kang scan copy from a few pages from your book. So, you can text edit or you can print it straight sa printer ninyo. Now guys, did you know na itong printer nito comes together with a 2-year na on-site warranty? So, hindi natin maiwasan no, na magkakaroon ng problema to along the way. So, it's nice to have a original na HP printer para meron kang peace of mind na 2 years. And very easy lang sila i-contact. Dito lang sa app, makita mo help and support. And all you need to do is just either chat with virtual assistant or contact HP. Now, ang mga printer heads nito, HP printer na ito is very easy to replace. All you need to do is open, then tanggalin mo lang printer, pagbalik mo, snap, and you're done. Ganon kasimple lang yan. Hindi mo na kailangan dalhin pa sa technician. You can do it all by yourself. I guarantee you. Ipapakita ko naman sa inyo step by step on how to do it on my full video. Dati pa nag-refill ka ng mga ink sa mga CISS na system, sobrang kada. Makita mo mga kamay mo, meron kang yellow, green, and black, and blue na color. Ang hirap hugasan. Now, with this one, spill-free na siya. So, I'm pretty sure wala kang problema. Kahit bali-baliktarin mo siya, hindi ito tatagas. Unless ikabit mo dun sa ink tank nito HP na Smart Tank 210 wireless. And of course, lastly, yung pinaka-importanting feature nitong printer nito is remote printing. You can do it wirelessly anywhere inside your house or anywhere across the world. All you need to have is yung app lang na yan and it can send yung mga documents to print dito sa printer mo. Very futuristic. So you either can print from your smartphone, your laptop, your tablet. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-hook pa ng desktop and use a USB cord para ikabit to print. But pwede naman. So guys, are you ready to take your printing to a whole new level together with the HP Smart Tank 210 wireless? Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili ito, link on the description. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano i-fully set up ng printer na ito, don't forget to check out one of my next few videos. So kita-kita ulit tayo sa aking next video. Bye! And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.